Bushcraft 101, page 96. Cooking irons. There are many types of cooking irons and implements made from ironwork by blacksmithing. The types covered in this section are the most useful and versatile for camp use. Iron is heavy, so if you're going to carry these, most of the time you'll need a conveyance of some sort. Squirrel cookers, as they are called, are a very useful type of cooking iron, made up of two pieces about the length of a bedroll. They can be used for cooking chunks of meat, for hanging a pot over the fire, or as a poker to stir the coals and arrange wood in the fire. Another use for these two irons is as a skillet grate, if placed over a keyhole fire pit. To use the squirrel cooker as a pot hanger or meat fork, place the pot hanger end of the iron through the pigtail of the other iron. That is, the part of the iron curled like a pig's tail. And then place the other end of the pigtail piece in the ground as an upright. This then becomes a crane that can be rotated for use as a pot hanger or meat fork, depending on which side is over the fire. Another type of iron that is useful in camp is very similar to a wooden rotisserie. It features two uprights and a crossbar placed horizontally through the eyes of the two uprights. From this, a combination of hooks and chain or trammels are used to adjust pots over the fire or cook meat on the crossbar. These setups are a bit impractical for normal use, as they are heavy. They are very useful, however, if you can find a way to easily transport them. Page 97. Here is a squirrel cooker. It shows the picture of the piece of iron. On one end you can hang a pot, and on the other end you can poke a big piece of meat and you can put them over the fire. Here is a picture of the use as a grate over a keyhole fire. So you have the two pieces. One of them, that middle piece, is right there, and then the one across it with the poker and the little pig's tail, both of them are near the fire, and you have your cast iron pan on top of it cooking meat near the fire. That's a squirrel cooker. Stoves and burners. The terms stove and burner really refer to two different things. Burner refers to the unit that produces the fire. A stove is the stand, grated material or component on which the pot or cup rests over the burner. The Trangia and alcohol stoves currently on the market are actually burners. To avoid confusion, I will refer to burners in the following text as stoves, and stoves as stove stands. That way, when searching today's market, you will not be confused.